Toward our goal of having divisibility tests for all the numbers from 1 to 10, let's just go through kind of the easiest ones to remember. First, I need to be writing. Oh, that's not a pretty color. Okay, we're in black. Every natural number is divisible by 1. Okay, it doesn't matter what that natural number is. When you divide it by 1, you're going to get itself, so that there'll be no remainder, so it's divisible. Okay, so everything's divisible by 1. Great. Let's talk about 2. A natural number is divisible by 2 if and only if it is even. Okay, that's to say that it ends in a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So I'll note that. Ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Okay, for example, is 30,203,126 divisible by 2? Well, all I need to do is see if it's even. It is, because it ends in a 6. So the answer here is yes. 2 divides 30,203,126. Okay. Is 23,112,533 divisible by 2? Well, again, all I need to check here is this last guy. That is odd. So since it's an odd number, 2 does not divide 23,112,533. Okay, let's get our next one. So let's look at 5. A natural number is divisible by 5 if and only if it ends in a 0 or a 5. Okay, because think about multiples of 5. Think about counting by 5. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. All those guys end in 0 or 5, so a natural number is divisible by 5 if and only if that number ends in a 0 or 5. For example, I have 68,312,565. I just need to look at that last digit. Since it's a 5, the answer to this is yes. 5 divides 68,321,565. Okay. Here I want to know, is 9,912 divisible by 5? Just need to look at that last digit. That last digit is not a 0 and it is not a 5, so 5 does not divide 9,912. Okay, just one more. Let's get the test for 10 out of the way, because again, it's easy, it's simple to remember and think about. A natural number is divisible by 10 if and only if it ends with a 0. Right, 10, 20, 30, 40. Any number that ends with a 0, its last digit is a 0, is evenly divisible by 10. So if I look at 32,332,170, it ends in a 0. So 10 divides 32,332,170. And if I look at a number like 42,221,325, I just need to look at that last digit. That's a 5. It's not a 0. So 10 does not divide 42,221,325. Okay, so our rules so far: for 1, every number is divisible by 1. For 2, it's divisible if the number is even. For 5, it's divisible by 5 if it ends with a 0 or 5. And for 10, it's divisible if it ends with a 0.